course, the markets are closed. We're on the eve of the midterm election tomorrow, Tuesday, and then the FOMC announcement on Wednesday. Neither one will move the market, but the reaction to the two certainly will have an impact. The goal of tonight's video is just to tell you to stay with the market until you see a definite break one way or the other. The S&P 500, the chart on the screen, we've pretty much been going sideways for the entire month of October. That will end. We will either break above or below this box here of consolidation, and just don't be too quick to sell your longs until you have the evidence, because I think the market's as apt to break up and out of that consolidation as it is to drop out of the box and fall lower. So watch your trend lines. We've been trading beneath the trend line here for a few days, but this blue line is a 20-period moving average. We're still above it. They're still pointing north, and you can see they've held price up all the way. So until you see something like this, where price drops below those trend lines and then comes back up, and then drops below and comes back up, then I would say maybe you need to really tighten your stops and think about removing some long exposure from your portfolio. But right now I think it's a little early. The NASDAQ, much better looking chart. That definitely is an uptrend. Not so much consolidation, and look at these moving averages, just really pointing northward. So stay with your long positions. There'll be plenty of time to sell them if the market does take a spill, and there will be plenty of time to add to your long positions if the market does break up and out of this consolidation. If you see a stock that you think you just have to own, I might advise be a little cautious, maybe reduce your risk exposure by trading fewer shares that you normally do. That way you'll still have some long exposure, but you won't be just hung out to dry if the market does take a spill and come in a little bit. So, with that being said, I wish you a good evening, and I will talk to you again soon.